Tasya padaravindam kinjalkamishra tulasi makarandavayum antargata svavivarena chakaratesham samshobhamaksharajusham apichittatanvum. That will happen. Apichittatanvum. Bhagavan is here. Harinam Prabhu is here. Harinam Prabhu, given by Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, Tattvavid Guru. Ito Darpanamarjanam. This is the Mahatmya of Shri Harinam Prabhu, Bhagavan. What Mahatmya has this Nam Bhagavan, Shri Harinam Prabhu has? Just by merely by his presence, just by his mere presence, he can do this all the 7 flames of yajna. Like just by mere presence of the sun, the ignorance is the darkness is dissipated. Like that, just by the presence of Nam Prabhu, all these seven things happen. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam Anandambudivardhanam pratipadam purna amrita asvadanam sarvatmasnapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. How does the Cheta Darpana Marjanam happen? How does the dirt that is covering the chitta, causing the misery, how does that go away? What is that dirt? How does that go away? The dirt gets accumulated when we look away from Krishna. When we turn away from Krishna, all we see is I, my. That's the dirt. And how can that dirt go away? Nam namakari bahudam nija sarva shaktis tatrarpitani amita smaranena kalam etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mamami durdaiva mitrishamiha janina anuraga. When we turn towards the Lord in the Nam Prabhu, and when we are having this anuraga, fond attachment to the Nam Prabhu, that's when the dirt starts to go away, because it's the Nama that comes and sits in us, displacing Aham, Mama, I and my. All the dirt is gone because Krishna comes and sits. Nam Prabhu comes and sits. And then what happens? Bhavamaha Davagni Nirvapanam. All the miseries, not ordinary miseries, they are blazing forest fire of material existence. Otherwise, it cannot be extinguished. But only with this Cheta Darpanamarjanam, only with the Nama, the miseries are extinguished. Trinadapi sunichena tarorivasahishna amanina manadena kirtaniya sada hari. When the kirtaniya sada hari happens, Krishna, 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 hey. Krishna, 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 hey. When that kirtaniya of Hari happens sada, always Krishna Chintana, with the glorification, stuti of Bhagavan. Hey Bhagavan, you are Daya, you are Karuna, you are giving this. That's glorification. When Krishna Chintana is happening with glorification, then all the inauspiciousness go away, auspiciousness, all the divine qualities come sit within us. And then what happens? Nadanam najanam na sundarim kavitam va jagadeesha kamaye mama janmani janmani ishwari bhavatat bhaktiya haitu kitvayi. When Krishna, Bhagavan is coming, sitting in us, he is all attractive, all attractive. And Bhagavan is all in all. All the miseries are gone when Bhagavan comes sit in the heart. And not only these miseries are gone, but now the addiction for Bhagavan, Bhagavad Seva, a ruchi is coming from within. Then what would we ask for? Bhavatad bhaktiya haitu kitvai. Only this loving seva for you, Bhagavan, please. Where will this ruchi take us to? Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam buddhav. Kripaya tava pada pankajam stita dhuli satrisham vichintaya. Such great attachment to Bhagavan, asakti, that the spiritual body is now starting to perceive Bhagavan. And where will that take us to further? Nayanam galadashrudharaya vatanam gadgadaruddhaya giram pulakair nichitair vapukada tava nama grihane bhavishyati. And the bhava for Bhagavan. Where did the whole thing start? Nam namakari bahuda nija sarva shakti. And when we turn towards the Nam Prabhu, only then the rest of the things would happen. Our Siddhadeha is in the Nama. Yogaitam nimishena chakshusha pravashyayitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena. Now, because the Siddhadeha is there, now one is unaware of this mortal frame and cannot endure, cannot take the separation of Bhagavan even for a moment. Slishyava padaratam pinaskrumham adarshanam marmahatam karotu yada tatha vidadhatavulam patu mat prananathastu sayeva nakparaha. When the Nama becomes prana to the jiva, that is Atayeva Nama Matram Vaishnavera Dharma. Then what does the Nama do? Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. And all this happens how? Nam Namakari Bhautani Sarva Shaktis. When the jiva turns towards the Nama. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Thara Madhya Sarva Sreshta Nama Samkirtana Niraparadham Nama Lele Paye Premadhan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय, श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय, आचार्य